Imagine a bedroom where the trash is never, ever taken out. Day after day, old papers and snack wrappers just pile up to the ceiling until the door finally bursts open. Your body is a lot like that house. You are made of trillions of tiny rooms called cells, and as they work, they constantly create their own microscopic trash. If a cell can't clear out that clutter, it eventually gets stuck and stops working, much like a room you can no longer walk through. Fortunately, nature provides a specific nutrient called spermidine to help. You can find it in everyday healthy foods like peas, mushrooms, and whole grains. Scientists discovered that this nutrient acts like a biological cleanup crew, helping to keep those cellular rooms sparkling clean. Inside a cell, things naturally wear out over time. You end up with broken proteins and old cell parts floating around like useless junk. To fix this, your cells use a built-in recycling system called autophagy. It's the cell's natural way of cleaning itself out to stay healthy. This process starts by rounding up broken parts and floating debris. Then the cell breaks it down, converting waste into fresh building blocks. It immediately uses these recycled materials to patch up areas that need help, so the whole system repairs itself. When this recycling is active, the cell stays youthful and strong, effectively refreshing itself from the inside out. The problem is a bossy protein called EP300. Think of it as a grumpy protein boss sitting at the cell's control desk, taping down the recycle button so no work gets done. As we age, this boss protein often shuts down the recycling center entirely, which allows cellular junk to pile up and cause problems. Spermidine steps in as a powerful blocker. It knocks the boss out of its chair, clearing the way to press the recycling button again. With the blockage removed, the button is hit and the recycling trucks roar back to life. Spermidine serves as the alarm clock that wakes up the cell's natural cleaning system, ensuring the work actually gets started. Researchers spent over a decade proving these effects through rigorous laboratory testing. This chart shows what happens when scientists give spermidine to yeast, worms, and flies. Their lifespans stretch significantly. In mice, the results showed a 10% lifespan increase. They didn't just live longer, they stayed healthier, with much stronger hearts and blood vessels. Across many different species, a steady supply of spermidine consistently delayed the signs of aging and kept bodies functioning better for longer. This leads to the most important question: does this cellular recycling trick work for us too? Large studies tracking thousands of people found that those with diets high in spermidine have lower rates of death and disease. This indicates spermidine may slow the general clock of aging across your body. Looking at the blue figure, you can see how this helps specific organs. A steady intake protects your heart and prevents the breakdown of brain cells without increasing cancer risks. Scientists now see a high spermidine diet as a reliable way to predict a longer, healthier life. All of this complex science eventually leads back to your daily habits. Eating the right foods and supporting the good bacteria in your gut helps keep a steady flow of this nutrient moving through your system. By choosing the right foods, you provide the spermidine your cells need to keep those recycling trucks active and efficient. You now understand a major secret of how our cells stay young. The power to keep your biological room clean is sitting right there on your dinner plate.